yesterday there was a firmware update. So of course the one that I'm most interested in, whether it has in fact really optimized the gimbal performance, then I've got to find out. As you guys already know, I really like using the Firmware wide-angle lens on my Osmo Pocket, especially in places where I need that wider field of view. There has been a lot of cases, different sort of angle, the motor couldn't quite take the weight. So I must say I was quite cautious in using the wide-angle lens. So it seems like DJI has worked with a third-party supplier and tried to come up with some solution. So today I want to find out whether the gimbal is really optimized. So let's find out together. So of course in the current field of view, even though it's rather wide angle at about 80 degrees, it's not wide enough to capture this beautiful street. So first thing I'm going to do is just put this on. You can definitely see wider view. No jittery shake? Do you see any jittery shake? Okay, it's probably going to give you a headache. I love it. Yeah, I think it's totally fixed. And now I'm going to further challenge myself by actually flipping the Osmo Pocket. Let's flip. Phew. It seems totally fine. Wow. So let me really challenge myself by flipping up and also take the beautiful decoration at the temple. So right now I have the Osmo Pocket at arm's length with the wide angle on, and as you guys know, at 30 frames per second, 4K, you can get the face follow mode, which is automatic basically. At whatever angle it is, it doesn't give any jittery shake, which is perfect. And that means I don't need to carry this selfie stick anymore. That's exactly why I do like DJI products. They come up with firmware updates again and again. The device is actually getting better and better. So that's why I still kept Osmo Pocket, even though I carelessly, stupidly broke my device a couple of times before. So yes, I will keep on coming back with some Osmo Pocket reviews from time to time. So see you!